So today we have blowout numbers by the big investment banks. If you look, even with weak equities performance, we had Morgan Stanley shooting through the roof with fixed income performance. But remember, by absolute terms, JPMorgan is still king with a whopping $3.5 billion in fixed income revenue. So what does that all mean when it comes to profitability? We have JPMorgan and Bank of America here, the big consumer banks leading by a landslide when it comes to profitability. We have the investment banks further behind. Remember, Bank of America holding strong on profitability, even though they're expecting net interest income to be a little lower. Everyone's expecting the consumer to be strong. Goldman is behind the pack, but remember, they took that big legal charge that is planning for their 1MDB charges ahead. So where does that leave the two big investment banks, Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs? Their market caps have been battling for the last 24 months. Morgan Stanley surging the most in 7 years yesterday, beat Goldman by a smidge yesterday. Goldman ending the day a little bit higher. Goldman's investor day is in 2 weeks. We'll see where that leaves them walking into the next quarter.